how could this even... Ring, ring. This is Brandon. Hello, Brandon. I bought some weather seal over your parts counter, and my handyman is having a really hard time installing it and making it seal correctly. You mean the perimeter weather strip kit? Yeah, it's that stuff that you put against the wall that rests against your garage door and seals your garage door real nice. And he's having a hard time making it seal against your garage door. Yeah, it seems like he's having a hard time. Well, why don't you have him send me a picture? Well, that's how my guys install it. I don't know what problem he's having. Hope you have a great day.